really well.
East.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I am David Perlin. I am a senior advisor at Goldman Sachs in Washington, D.C. I've spent 30 years in the financial services industry, sales and trading roles, hedge fund, etc. I had the good fortune of being a colleague and friend to Anton Creel. At the time, I was running the international sales and trading effort in New York for Goldman Sachs. And needless to say, European stocks were a significant part of our business. Anton was a young trader that we hired and quickly became readily apparent that he was someone we needed to pay attention to. Took over a formidable book, traded exceedingly well, very complex and risk-intensive jobs, and became a true mate of mine. So it's a pleasure to be involved again with his efforts. Anton drives the product and the service. It's a passion. He's lived it in a true risk sense, and there's no replacing that. So I think his ability to bring people of like experience together from various firms and deliver that kind of institutional risk management perspective to the retail trader is invaluable. We gathered for lunch in New York, one of his recent trips, and talked about doing something together on the mentoring side. Quite frankly, a significant part of my career, and one of the reasons I was successful at Goldman Sachs, was owed to a good mentor. I have fewer opportunities to do that now, and I thought it would be both rewarding and interesting to see what kind of expertise I can lend to this group. Some perspective and guidance on the industry, how to break into it, what matters to people, how do people evaluate future hires, what kind of things can they do and build upon that makes them interesting candidates for investment banks, hedge funds, etc. So really, again, trying to be as practical as possible and really bring an element of reality to what could be just a classroom type of experience. Very much looking forward to seeing everybody and meeting them. I'm sure we'll find some great things to talk about and some really interesting ideas to discuss on the investment side.